Are you looking for the best boba maker machine? In this video, we will show 3 best boba maker machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 3. WantJoin Boba Cooker 6L Commercial Tapioca Maker Warmer Machine. 900-watt automatic cooking pot for bubble tea, milk tea, restaurant dessert stores. Color, black. Brand, WantJoin. Color, black. Material, aluminum, plastic. Capacity, 6 liters. Wattage, 900 watts. Item weight, 8.2 pounds. Is dishwasher safe? No. 6L large capacity. Maximize your productivity with our Boba Cooker machine, featuring a large capacity, 6L 6.3 QT 1.58 gallon, that can cook 0.5 kg to 1 kg, 1.1 pounds to 2.2 pounds of tapioca pearls at once. This generous capacity allows it to effortlessly cater to both home and business operations, making it an ideal choice for creating a large volume of pearl tea beverages. Soft and chewy boba. The WantJoin Boba Cooker comes with a smart temperature control system specifically designed for cooking tapioca pearls. Once the pearls are boiled, it automatically switches to a gentle simmering mode, ensuring the pearls stay at the perfect temperature for slow cooking without overcooking or burning. The gradual heat keeps the pearls soft and chewy. Number 2. YJINGRUI Boba Maker Machine. Commercial boba cooker, boba pot, automatic tapioca pearls cooker for milk tea stores, dessert stores, restaurants, lounge bars, 5 liters. Brand, YJINGRUI. Color, black. Material, ABS plastics, aluminum. Capacity, 5 liters. Wattage, 900 watts. Item weight, 0.9 kilograms. Is dishwasher safe? No. Voltage, 110 kilovolts. Shape, round. Make brown sugar pearl milk tea by yourself. Cold weather, want to have a cup of brown sugar pearl milk tea? Make it by your own. You can adjust the sugar degree by your own. Confirm to your own taste by our pearl pot. Smart control panel, one-touch operation of touchscreen design. You don't have to be by the pearl pot all the time, and you can set working time and working temperature according to your need. High efficiency. It is time-saving that pearls are boiled by 900 watts power. It only costs you 50 minutes, boil for 25 minutes, and stew for 25 minutes to get a pot of boiled pearls. The amount of pearl, tapioca, boba, saga, pudding it can cook at one time is 0.9 kilograms. Food-grade non-stick pan liner. Material, aluminum alloy. The pearl pot bile consists of 3 layers: food-grade paint coat, uniform heated layer, and energy heating layer from the inside to the outside. You don't have to worry about the pearls sticking to the pot. At the same time, the pearls pot is easy to be cleaned. Number 1. WantJoin Boba Maker Machine. Commercial boba cooker, commercial boba pearl maker for bubble, tea milk tea, boba pot for tapioca pearls for restaurants, milk tea stores, dessert stores, lounge bars. Brand, WantJoin. Material, plastic. Capacity, 5 liters. Wattage, 900 watts. Is dishwasher safe? No. Voltage, 110 volts. Shape, round. Pattern, solid. Non-stick pot. Do you have trouble with pearls sticking to the pan? WantJoin Boba Maker with non-stick coating. Each pearl grain is clear, will not stick to the pot. Intelligent temperature control. After setting the heat preservation function, the pearls in our Boba Maker machine can be automatically kept warm for up to 9 hours after cooking to maintain the best taste of pearls. Large capacity. This Boba Maker machine can cook 0.5 to 1 kilogram of pearls to meet the needs of 40 cups of milk tea. Can make pearls, amber pearls, taro balls, pudding, jam. Can be used in milk tea stores, dessert stores, home kitchens, hotel kitchens. Stereo circulation heating. Compared to induction cooker, the pearl pot can achieve even heating of each pearl. The exhaust valve effectively prevent the pot from excessive air pressure. High efficiency. Our Bubble Maker machine is time-saving that pearls are boiled by 900 watts power, faster than other Boba Maker machines. You can boil 40 to 50 cups of bubble tea at one time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.